there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the NSTDetect browser NST. Working with an NSTDetect browser like NSTBrowser and using a proxy can significantly enhance your anonymity and security online. Here's how to set up a proxy in the NSTBrowser. Launch the NSTBrowser and create a new profile by entering the required information. Navigate to the Proxy tab within the Profile settings. In this tab, you can choose from previously saved proxies, a saved proxy group, or configure a new proxy which we will focus on. Select Custom Proxy Type and choose your connection type, HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. Enter the proxy details, host and port. If you're using a free proxy, no further action is required. However, if it's a private proxy, you'll also need to add the proxy username and password in the respective fields. Once the details are entered, you can test the proxy directly from the browser by clicking the Check Proxy button to ensure it's functioning correctly. After verifying the proxy settings, click Create Profile. Your new profile will now be listed among the working profiles. When you launch this profile, NSTBrowser will connect to the internet using the proxy settings you've configured. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.